Hi friends, welcome back to my arts and craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper swan. Okay, let's start it. For doing this you need a square paper. Fold it into a triangle. See like this. See like this, you need to fold it into a triangle. And again fold it into another triangle. See like this, into half. See, like this. And now you need to unfold it. See like this. See, you need to turn it like this and fold this side till the center. See, right here like this, and do the same till with this. See, you need to fold it like this. See, now you need to fold this edge till here, till this one, the back line. See, here it will be. See, you need to fold it till here. See like this, you need to fold it and make a fold. See like this. See, now you need to turn it and fold it downside. See like this. See like this, you need to fold it and push it upward. See, it should come like this, right, like this. And you need to make the head. See like this, and you should make it like this. See, you need to just pinch it some. See, and now this head is also done. See, this head is also done. And now you need to push it in to the hole. See, you need to make it like this. See, and now our paper swan is ready. If you want, you can keep even eyes here, right here, like this, how I made to it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.